Your roof is not a set-it-and-forget-it part of your home. The most expensive roof problems usually start with tiny, easy-to-avoid mistakes. Let's break down 7 common roof maintenance mistakes homeowners make all the time, especially here in Southern California, and what to do instead to keep your home dry and protected. Mistake number 1, treating your gutters like a storage unit. Leaves, palm fronds, and dirt pile up, water backs up, and it ends up under your shingles or overflowing against your siding and foundation. Fix it. Clean your gutters and downspouts at least twice a year, and after big wind or rainstorms. If you're surrounded by trees, you may need to check them even more often. Mistake number 2, pressure washing your roof to make it look new. High-pressure water strips away protective granules on shingles, blasts out under tiles, and can force water where it doesn't belong. Fix it. Skip the pressure washer. Use low-pressure cleaning methods approved for your roof type, or hire a pro who knows how to clean without damaging the materials. Mistake number 3, walking all over your roof like it's a patio. On tile roofs, one wrong step can crack tiles. On shingle roofs, heavy foot traffic can loosen or damage the surface. Fix it. Only go up there when it's truly necessary, and if you can avoid walking on it at all, even better. Binoculars from the ground or a camera on an extension pole can show you a lot. Mistake number 4, ignoring the attic. Many homeowners only look up when they're putting away holiday decorations, but that space is your early warning system. Fix it. A few times a year, peek into your attic with a flashlight. Look for damp insulation, dark stains on wood, daylight where it shouldn't be, or a musty smell. Catching those signs early can save you thousands. Mistake number 5, using caulk as a cure-all. Smearing sealant over cracked, flashing, loose vents or problem spots might stop a drip for a little while, but it doesn't fix what's actually failing. Fix it. Think of caulk as a bandage, not a repair. If flashing, vents, or roof penetrations are the problem, they usually need to be properly reinstalled or replaced, not just smeared with goop. Mistake number 6, waiting until there's a big, obvious leak. Brown ceiling stain, peeling paint, or a drip during a storm usually means water has been sneaking in for a while. Fix it. Treat small signs as serious. A tiny stain, a subtle sag in drywall, or water spots around a skylight are all reasons to investigate before a minor issue turns into major interior damage. Mistake number 7, letting the cheapest quick fix win. A rock-bottom quote from someone who isn't licensed or insured can lead to shortcuts, code violations, and repairs that don't last. Fix it. When you do need help, choose a qualified roofing professional, check reviews, and ask about warranties. A good repair once is cheaper than fixing a bad repair twice. You don't have to become a roofer to protect your home. Just avoid these 7 mistakes. Pay attention to the small warning signs, and give your roof a little regular care. If this helped you spot even one problem you might have missed, hit save, share it with a neighbor, and keep learning how to protect the biggest investment you live under every single day.